In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find promo codes in dealseek.com. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website dealseek.com. Once you're on the website, browse the available deals or use the search bar to find a specific product or brand. Look for deals labeled with a promo code or a verified badge. DealSeek says its promo codes are tested and include a verification timestamp to help identify working offers. Open the product page and tap Reveal, Copy, or Displayed promo code. Click Shop Now to open the retailer's website. Add the item to your cart and paste the promo code during checkout. If the retailer also offers a clickable coupon on the product page, click that coupon before completing your purchase. Verify that the discount has been applied before placing your order. For even more savings, consider downloading the DealSeek app. According to the developer, the app provides real-time deal notifications, app-exclusive offers, and alerts for new promo codes and price drops. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.